In Ohio, real property is divided by first determining if there's a separate property claim on the residence. If there's a separate property claim on the residence, you have to determine how much that separate property claim was and if they terminated that separate property claim. If there is no separate property claim and the entire property is marital, the first thing both parties do is generally get an appraisal on the property by a licensed appraiser. Sometimes parties agree on an appraiser, and sometimes parties use their own. Now from there's a myriad of things that could happen. The parties could agree to a value and allow one party to refinance the property and pay out the equity to the other party. The parties could have a trial on whose expert best values the property. However, I tell most of my clients, in most of the courts I appear in, if you don't agree on what's going to happen to the house, typically the court's going to sell the house and divide the assets between the two of you. Why? It's cleaner. You don't have to rely on somebody being able to refinance the property in the future or worry about any sort of problems. It's just sold and both parties are cut a check. That's why you need an experienced attorney like the one we have at Erb Legal.